Any chiral carbon has two mirror images. Now, we refer to this as either an R configuration or an S configuration. And the main differences here are based on how everything is spatially arranged, okay? So meaning the direction of how this is going to rotate or spin. And if something is R, that means it's going to be clockwise. It's going towards the right. So in case you forget, is this clockwise? Is this counterclockwise? I forget which way that goes. Then R is really referring to the arrow going to the right, and S is referring to the arrow going to the left. And we can see that with the clock overall, if that's some way that you can remember it. But if you don't, remember R means right, so the arrow goes to the right, and then S means the arrow goes counterclockwise or to the left. Now,